Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to start page numbering from a specific page. So if you look at my screen, then you can see that there is a cover page and table of content page separately. So they are just numbered. So what I want to do is just to start my page numbering from the very first page of my research paper or the introduction page of my paper. uh, as you can see, currently it is numbered as page 3, but I want this page to be starting as first page. So to make that happen, what I will do is just to click the cursor on the third page or the introduction page from where I want my page numbering to start. Then I will click on formatting markers. Then you can see there are a lot of dots on the screen. Then I will move to page layout and then go to breaks, and then I will use section break or next page option. And then you can see that there is a section break at the end of the page number 2 or at the end of table of content before introduction page. Then I will just go to insert and I will use page numbering option, and then I will use page numbering format like I will put bottom of page numbering on the at the bottom of the page. Then I click on it, and then I will go to page number, because I can see still that my introduction page is showing as page number 3. So what I will do now is just go to page number and open format page numbering and start third page as with 1, and then I will click OK. Then to separate this introduction page from other pages, other section, I will have to click link to previous. Then you can see that introduction has been started as page number 1, but is still cover page and table of content page showing their numbers. So I will just manually delete them. Both will just vanish, and then there are numbers on introduction page. So I will close the header and footer. Then you can see that there are dots. So what I will do is just to unmark formatting markers, and then it is now a plain document. Then you can see that introduction page has been numbered as 1 and subsequently other sections. But still there is a problem that if you look at the table of content, then you can see that it is showing that table of content introduction as numbered page 3. So what I will do is just go to update and I will update entire table, and you can see that they are numbered as 1 from the introduction page. So it is very simple. So using these formatting markers and page layout through breaking section, you can just format your page numbering and you can start numbering from anywhere of your document. So that's all from me today. Thank you everyone. Please stay with us. Thank you.